Nadia, are you able to do A? Yes. Who is unable to do, I do with you? Okay, Farhan, let's try. I want to find ABC. Where exactly is ABC? The angle. Can you draw the angle on the triangle now? Then we compare. Everyone draw the angle and we compare. Xinjia, is this the angle that you have colored? Alright. Farhan, can you now label on your diagram where is opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse? Then we compare. Let's try together. Opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Did you draw opposite here? Did you draw adjacent here? Did you draw hypotenuse here? Now, let me ask you a question. Now I want to find the angle. I must use what? Tua. Let's try. Adjacent is 10. That means I know A. Can you put a tick on A? Again, 26 is hypotenuse. I know H. Can you put a tick on H? Which one is the one that has the two ticks? Farhan. Ka, cosine. So, Farhan, you can write down cosine angle. Farhan equals to adjacent. No need to put theta, just put the angle will do. Adjacent over hypotenuse. This is your height. And this is your 10 over 26. My question is, if I want to find the angle, I don't want the cosine, what must I do to the cosine? Inverse. So can you press the calculator? 10 over 26. Then press cosine inverse. Do you get 67? Right. Always remember angle is in one decimal place. Kelly, okay? Wrong page. Huh? Wrong page. Right. Let's continue. I want to find AC. Kelly, how do you find AC? Use what? I have 26. I have 10. How do I find AC? This is a what kind of triangle? Right angle. So right angle can use what? The P word.
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem. Can those haven't write one right now? Write down. How does the Pythagoras theorem looks like? Hafiza? Is it okay, your Pythagoras? Can you tell me what you wrote? I asked you, are you able to write down Pythagoras theorem on this to find the AC? So do you write something like that? 26 square equals to what? Very good. AC square plus 10 square. Then you want to work out AC, you go and calculate 26 square minus 10 square. A answer is like that. Why do you get 10 over 26? Because K is AH. AH stands for adjacent over hypotenuse. You don't press cosine this, you must press cosine inverse this. Because you want to find the angle, you don't want the cosine, so you inverse. It's not cosine 10 over 26. Right, last one. How do I find the shortest distance? I highlight in red. I will draw the distance in red. Can you all draw the distance now? Some of you not able to do C. Can you write down? Shortest distance means 90-degree distance. The actual word is perpendicular. So from C, how do you draw perpendicular? Very simple. This is how you draw. Maybe to encourage you to write down, later on I will walk to you and see this is on your paper. If this is on your paper, you leave the class quietly. Those of you who need more time can have the time in the world to copy this down. So let's try and do C together so that I can start with you. Let's look at C. C says this, I want to find the perpendicular distance. So what I do is, I use the area formula. Can you try? Can you tell me area of triangle? I cannot leh. Yes, yes, what happened? Oh, then how? Have you all done? Those who are higher time go now. So many ah. Miss Leong is your higher mother tongue teacher. I will check how many of students is going for higher mother tongue now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please watch the video to find out the C. Now, very quickly, I want to use. Hey, faster you let me finish, faster you can go back. Now, I want to use the yellow triangle. Can you help me? Yellow triangle, I want to find out X. So what it means is, I want to use X, I want to use 10. Do I use Tuaka also? Answer is so. Sine 67. After that, I want to find X. So I press calculator. Do you understand? Yeah, you press your calculator 26 times this, then you will get that. Okay? Yes, I cross multiply. Hey, there's so much I can do if yeah, one-sided happiness is not happiness. So if you need help, let me know. Otherwise, you are dismissed from here.